There you go. Look at her read the paper.
Yep. And we can go over here.
Yeah, I guess so she can see, Daddy.
Sounds like check.
Oh. Ask her for kisses.
Kisses. Kiss. Nothing.
Oh, she's cleaning that off. You must have bad breath.
Kiss. Nothing. You got nothing. Did you? You're a bonehead.
She's happy.
Alright, one more page.
She's not reading the paper no more. She's staring at. She's
Not
staring at.
interested
She
anymore.
keeps looking like his glasses, and then she looks at you, Katie.
That's it. Other than hometowns. Idaho potatoes. Ooh, $1.99 for 5 pounds. That's a good deal.
Look at her. Look at.
That's a good deal. We're gonna go buy some of them.
That was a good deal. You can make some French fries.
Yeah. Lots of fries, huh?
Oh, she loves French fries.
French fries?
Oh.
French fries. You're good. Even chicken breast tenders, $1.99. Right there. Oh. I know chicken's your family, but
She did look. She looked at you like no.
let's stick with the potatoes.
She's taking glasses off. You're not seeing right.
What? You funny? You a funny bird? Yeah, baby. All right. That's all we got.